What up? WINBUSH here, and I'm going to show you how to use puzzle mats in After Effects. Now, if you're coming from my previous video where I showed you how to export the puzzle mats out of Cinema 4D and RedShift, then welcome back. If not, I suggest you go watch that video first if you want to know how I created the puzzle mats. But if you already know how to use puzzle mats, then I'm going to show you now how you import these into After Effects and use them for compositing. So I'm going to start by hitting Control-I, and that brings up our import menu, and I'm going to look for my puzzle mats here, my pre-window. And if you watched the previous video, I showed you how to export a AEC file, and you want to import that, and that's going to bring in all of your assets here that you had rendered out. So I'm just worried about the puzzle mats here, and double click on my composition, and here we are. So it already has my scene set up. It has the camera. I can get rid of this reflection, and we have the puzzle mat 1-2 and the puzzle mat 1. Now if I click the eyeball here, you can see this is the first set that we had rendered out, and this is the second set. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring in my rendered out scene, and I'm going to show you how to apply the puzzle mat to it. Now I want to come over to my right hand side where it says effects and presets, and I'm going to type in set, and you'll see an option under channel called set mat. I'm going to drag that over, and then under this window where it says alpha channel, I'm going to start with my red channel, and where it says take mat from layer, I'm going to select my first puzzle mat layer. And you can see now it gives me just a ground, which is it has a mask for. And now I'm going to hit Control D and duplicate. Actually, let me do it again from scratch. So I'm gonna go and bring in another rendered layer. We're going to my dune scene, come over to set mat, and this time I'm going to use the blue channel, and I'm going to select my puzzle mat 1, and now it's giving me my rocks back there. And you just keep repeating this process. I mean, you just set mat, go down to my blue channel, click down to puzzle mat 1, then click that off. Actually, this one should be green, my green channel, and there you go. And that's how you basically set up your scene to be able to composite how you want. You know, you can add levels and change your levels to whatever you want for each of these pieces. And I have another set of puzzle mats down here. I mean, it's the same process. Come over to puzzle mat 1-2, and then click the red channel, and I guess the red channel had nothing in it. Let me try green. There we go. And then you can see, you know, as we're going through, all the pieces are starting to come together. And that's basically in a nutshell how you use puzzle mats in After Effects. And so yeah, like I said, check out my other tutorial. I also I'm going to be doing a lot more X particle stuff if you guys are curious about how that works. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. I'll answer any questions you guys have. Of course, leave a like on the video, and until next time, keep it frosty.